From where?
I don't know. You have to open it and see.
You don't know where that princess castle is?
Yeah.
Where?
It's in Disney Princess.
That's right. It's a Disney castle.
Disney Castle. I could know what is in there.
Okay. Open it up. Carefully, not on the edge.
Ooh, there's still something in. There's still another in here.
Okay. Okay. Which one are you going to open up?
I don't know.
Pick one, honey. Honey, sometime today, okay?
This one is the one I'm going to open first.
Okay.
Sing going.
Go, Abby, go. 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 Go, Abby, go.
Can I rip this?
Yes, rip it all, honey. Do it sometime today, okay?
Okay.
Go, Abby, go. Go, Abby, go. Go, Abby, go. Go, Abby, go. Go, Abby, go.
I see some pink.
It's glass.
Is it for me?
Well, let's see what the other one is.
I think that one's for Cheyenne. I see some pink and Minnie Mouse. Sparkles! So which one is mine?
You tell me. Which one is yours? Sparkles?
I don't know.
You told me, remember the picture we saw that Nina and Papa sent us?
Yeah?
You told me the two that you think you and Shiloh wanted, right?
Yeah.
So which one is yours and which one is Shiloh's? Or do you want Shiloh to choose?
This one's Shiloh's and this one's mine.
All right, look at the camera and what do you tell Nina and Papa?
Thank you, Nina and Papa. I love you.
Shiloh, what do you say? What do you say, Shiloh?
Don't break it, Shiloh.
Shh. Stop. Shiloh, what do you say? That's yours.
Tasty.
I think Shiloh says thank you. I love you. Bye.
Put some